Once again, good afternoon to all. Which chapter we are going to study? You can say at yourself after looking to the examples and some activities. Now, I am requesting everyone to close your eyes. Just close your eyes and listen the sound what I am going to produce. Everyone, have you closed your eyes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, I'm going to show you something, going to listen you something. Only listen. Don't open your eye. Till I have told, don't open your eyes. Okay. Don't open, don't open, don't open. Again listen, another sound is there for you.
Sir, will start video.
No, no, no. Your video is not required. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, open your eyes. Now open your eyes.
Yes, sir.
Joined. I have written their names. Abdullah name is not there. Okay. I have written your names. Now I am going to spin the wheel. The name where it will stay, you have to answer what I will ask. Now listen my question. What are the differences between the sounds you heard in the previous case and in the second case? So let us take for the decision of the Google to choose who will answer my question. I repeat the question again. What are the basic differences between these two sounds? Have a deep breath. Yes, it is going towards Somendra. Somendra? Somendra, are you there? Somendra, perhaps network problem. Then next. Devans. Yes. Devans.
Sir.
Yes. Tell me the differences between the two sounds heard, the previous case and the second case.
How?
Have you heard two types of sounds or not?
Yes, two types.
Two types. What is the basic difference between the two types of sounds? Can anyone say? What is the basic difference?
I think both are clock.
Yes, very good. Both are clock. Very good. But little bit different. The two clocks are not same.
Sir, first one is sir, but I think second one is that wall clock.
Pendulum clock. Second one is pendulum clock. Pendulum clock means it will move
Yes,
to and fro. And first one is our normal clock.
yes.
The second hand minutes hands will tick, tick, tick. Okay. Now let us go to another video. To get into our class, we'll move to another video. Okay. This video I'm going to show you, which is very peculiar. You just see and you will be enjoyed. Screen is visible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just go through this video. With how much accuracy the balls are jumping and moving and the objects are moving such that anyone is not getting disturbed. They are in a state, no one is getting disturbed and the system is going on smoothly. Are you observing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's amazing. It's very amazing to see these videos. So now I am going to share you in front of you that simple pendulum. I'm going to show you that simple pendulum. Just wait, making it for you. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
The
sir.
trade is visible, but Bob is not visible.
Tripod.
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now fully visible.
Okay. Very good. So now you see there, if this is its mean position, if I will displace it from its mean position, then what will happen? what will happen? It will go and come, go and come. Okay. Then observe, about its mean position, it is moving towards right and left each time. What type of motion you would like to suggest? The motion of this object? Which type of motion?
Yeah, true and fro.
To
To
and
and
fro.
fro.
Very good. Aiskant, can you name this motion? The type of motion?
The oscillatory motion.
Yes, very good. Exactly. Oscillatory motion. What we are going to explore today, the oscillatory motion. Now let us come to our PowerPoint to get into the topic. Then we will move to the smart class videos and then we will conclude with some questions of the smart class. Okay. So let us go to our PowerPoint again. Here you see we have come across many motions in our daily life. Some are repetitive and non-repetitive, periodic and to and fro, that is oscillatory. I may give the example of from the beginning of your study, geography or history, geography, you have studied. Sun is stationary and Earth and the planets are revolving around the sun. Is not it a periodic motion? It is a great example of periodic motion. Yes, that had been studied by us from the beginning, from the very beginning. And the simple pendulum, motion of the simple pendulum, already I have discussed in front of you and I have shown to you also how it is oscillating about its mean position to and fro. Okay. Now, periodic motion. Motion which repeat itself after a regular interval of time is called periodic motion. Example is given as revolution of Earth and about period of 1 year. After every 1 year, Earth will rotate about the sun. And motion of hours hand of a clock, that is 12 hours. After every 12 hours, the motion of the hour hand is being completed. Can you say after how much time the second hand of the clock cover its complete rotation? After how much time? Anyone from the list?
Sir, 60 seconds.
Shreyans, you tell. Shreyans Supriyadarshi, unmute yourself.
Has 60 seconds.
Very good. Nice. 60 seconds. Now, oscillatory vibratory motion is the motion in which the body moves to and fro repeatedly about its a fixed point in a definite interval of time. In such motion, the body is confined within the well-confined limits, defined limits on either side of the mean position. It is confined within the mean position and extreme position. Then again back to the mean position, then again return to the extreme position. It always try to move towards the mean position due to its restoring force, back force. A back force is pulling it towards its mean position. Now, let us understand the topic better through the smart class video. Smart class video, have a look on the smart class video to get clear idea about the topic. Here you see, can we play?
Yes,
Can we play now?
sir.
Okay, the smart class video is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us play. Let us play it.
Frequency and displacement in periodic motion. Have you ever observed the motion of the pendulum in a clock or the motion of a clock's hands? Each of these bodies, that is, the pendulum and the hands, follow the same respective path over and over again with time. Even Earth revolves around the Sun along the same path repetitively after certain time intervals.
What I have told you just now, have a look on this video and get clear idea about this.
This is also true of the Moon, which revolves around Earth. Such a motion which repeats itself in regular time intervals is called periodic motion. We will study the mathematical representation of periodic motion in this animation. Periodic motion repeats itself in
It's a time period. What is the time period of an object while it is moving in periodic motion? We have told while periodic motion, it will again retrace its path. You see the example of hands of a clock. The hands, when rotating, the second hand takes 60 seconds to complete its path. So this is the time period of the second hand. You can say this is the time period of the second hand. 60 seconds. Similarly, minute hand. The minute hand will take 1 hour or 60 minutes to cover the whole circular path. Okay, so this is the time period of an object which is in a periodic motion. The time after which it will complete its motion. It is called as time period.
regular or equal in
You have to note these things because these are very example, very important to carry forward this chapter along with these terms and definitions. Okay, time period is very important and its unit, it is mean to time, so its unit is also second.
intervals of time. The smallest interval of time after which the motion is repeated is called the time period T of the periodic motion. We can observe that the second hand of a clock comes back to its initial position after 1 minute. Hence,
Already
the
just
time
this
period
time.
of the second hand is 1 minute. The time period of the minute hand is 1 hour. And for the hour hand, the time period is 12 hours. Earth under
You can write these things. Time period of second hand is 60 seconds and of minute hand is 1 hour or 60 minutes or 60 into 63, 600 second, and time period of hour hand is 12 hours, or you can convert it into minutes and second also respectively. Okay.
undergoes two different periodic motions, rotation about its own axis and revolution around the Sun. The period of Earth's rotation around itself is about 24 hours, whereas for the revolutionary motion around the Sun, the period is about 1 year.
Exactly. The period of revolution about its own axis. We know that Earth is revolving around the Sun with having its own rotation. It is rotating about itself and also rotating about the Sun. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know very well, and I am also correct. So it is rotating itself, which is result in the day and night observation, and it is revolving around the Sun. Okay. We will say the time period of its revolution about its own axis is 24 hours. But time period about the revolution about Sun is 365 days.
1 year.
Notice that as time period is a measurement of time, its SI unit is second.
Already I have told this.
Instead of measuring
Another one, frequency is very important. In oscillation, frequency carries an important role. In further expressions, mathematical expressions, frequency will carry an important role. What is frequency? You have to
The
know.
time taken by the motion to repeat itself, we can also measure the number of times the motion is repeated in a unit time.
The repetition. In 1 second, how much times it is repeating its motion to and fro? In 1 second, how many times it is repeating? This is the frequency of the oscillation.
The number of times the periodic motion is repeated per unit time is called the frequency nu. Frequency is the reciprocal of the time period.
Have a note on it. Frequency is the reciprocal of time period. Frequency is equal to 1 by time period.
Hence, its unit is per second. This unit is also called hertz, after Heinrich Hertz, the discoverer of radio waves. 1 hertz is equal to 1 oscillation per second.
Yes. Define 1 hertz. Question may be asked, define 1 hertz. You have to write, if 1 oscillation is covered in 1 second, then the frequency of the oscillation is said to be 1 hertz. Already written there. Have a note on it and confirm me so that I will go to the next video. Okay. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Sir, my reading is completed.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay, very good. So now we'll move to another part, another video. SHM, what is simple harmonic motion and uniform circular motion, how they are related to each other. Yes. Already I have shown the PPTs, so we'll not focus on the PPTs. PowerPoint here available. We'll go to the videos, multimedias, and we'll see what concept is being.
Simple harmonic motion. Motion of the minute hand in a clock. Motion of the earth around the sun. What is common in these motions? The motion repeats after regular time intervals. The movement of the minute hand in a clock is periodic, and its period is 60 seconds. The Earth takes approximately 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the Sun. Thus, periodic motion is a motion which repeats itself after equal intervals of time. For example, a pendulum moving back and forth is said to.
Yes, this pendulum moving to and fro. It is also periodic motion and it is also simple harmonic motion.
To execute a periodic motion. Our heartbeat is a periodic motion.
Do you know our heartbeat is also a periodic motion? It is
Yes, sir.
beating. Yes. How many times it is beating in 1 second? Can you say?
72/60. It may be 6/5.
Yes, very good. So it is beating 72 in a healthy person 70 times in 1 minute. That is in 60 seconds. In 1 second, 72/60.
It repeats approximately after every 0.86 seconds. A vibrating guitar string is a periodic motion.
Okay.
Observe the movement of a swing. This is an oscillatory motion.
We have experienced it during the month of June, the Raja festival. Have you experienced playing this swing
Yes, sir.
at your villages?
Sir,
Yes, I have played so many times near my village, and the poles are made up of bamboo, and we have moved to a very high distance, very high from the ground, and then again while returning, it is pulling us with a greater force. That force is called a restoring force, which is restoring us towards the mean position again. Okay.
An oscillatory motion is one in which a body moves to and fro repeatedly about a mean or equilibrium position. Equilibrium or mean position is the position at which oscillatory motion. A harmonic motion is an oscillatory motion which can be expressed in terms of a single harmonic function.
Harmonic motions we can represent mathematically by drawing graphs in the form of sine and cosine. In the form of sine and cosine. Okay. Sine function and cosine function. Why we will draw sine and cosine? You see here. I am taking value sine theta. When theta equal to 0 degree, sine 0 will be 0. When theta equal to pi by 2, sine pi by 2 will be maximum plus 1. And when theta equal to pi means 180 degree. When theta equal to pi, sine 180 is 0. Then again, when theta is equal to 3 pi by 2, sine 3 pi by 2 will be equal to minus 1. And again, when theta equal to 2 pi, sine 2 pi will be 0. If we will draw a graph, this is, if it is 2 pi and this is pi and this is 3 pi by 2 and this is pi, this is plus 1, this is minus 1. Sine values at 0, 0, this is theta and this is the value of sine theta. At pi by 2, sine pi by 2 is 1 plus 1. At pi, value is 0. 3 pi by 2, value is minus 1. And again, at 2 pi, it is 0. By joining it, we will get like this curve. This is a sinusoidal graph. This is a sinusoidal graph which is resulting due to oscillation of the object as presented in front of you in the form of graph. Okay.
Such as sine or cosine function. By simple harmonic motion, we mean a harmonic motion which is the simplest of all kinds of oscillatory motions. Thus, a body is said to execute a simple harmonic motion.
This definition is important. When the body is said to execute simple harmonic motion, if the displacement and restoring force are in opposite direction. You see, again I am showing the simple pendulum here in front of you. If I will take it from its mean position to this position and then I am releasing it, then what will happen? It will move towards its mean position.
yes,
It
sir.
will move towards its mean position. If I will take it to a greater displacement, then it will move with a greater force. That is, the force which is pulling it towards its mean position increases with increasing displacement from its mean position. And as it is moving opposite to the displacement, I am taking away, the force is pulling it towards. That is, the displacement and force applied are in opposite direction. So you can say here the force is proportional to y but in the negative direction. Okay, this is what we call simple harmonic motion. So with this, I'm going to conclude. Before concluding, I'll take you to question answer session. How much you have learned. So let us take a view on it. How much you have learned from today's topic. Okay. Questions are in front of you. Showing the questions. System is hanging, I think.
Sir, network issue.
No problem is there. Online class, what we can do? Nothing in our hand. Everything in the hand of Google and Geo. Okay. So Vishnu Priya will tell the answer. Which option will correct? As there is only 2 minutes remaining to log out the Zoom, I am not spinning the wheel. You just say and pass the ball. Pass the ball. Pass the ball means after you answering, you will tell any other contestant to answer. Yes, you in the chat. Which option? Vishnu Priya tell which option? Rajveer,
Question is not there.
question not there. Question is there. It's showing.
No.
Okay. Then Shruti Ranjan, is it visible to you? Shruti Ranjan,
Yes, sir.
is it visible to you? The question is visible or not?
Where?
In the screen, question is not visible.
Sir.
Sir, now the question is gone.
Now see, I am sharing. Visible, na? Shruti,
Yes, sir, it is visible.
okay, you say then. Siddharth, say the answer.
Yes, sir. So please let's sing.
Taking more time, less time is there. Keep correct time. Then one more question here. Pendulum after some time becomes slow in motion and finally stops because of which option?
Sir,
Air
air
friction.
friction.
Okay, very good. It is correct answer, I think. And now I am thanking all of you for this session, for patient sharing, and I hope all of you have understood. I will share the question and PPT to all of you. Thank you. Time permits for
Thank you,
us.
sir.
Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.